All right, so let's go and have a walk through and see what's going on here. I've got Sparkies about to walk by that are working on getting the electrical done for the garage there. Moving on through this plywood door that I just walked through right there will ultimately be a nice folding door. Spinning around. Got this awesome bay window in behind me here. That's an amazing light. Be a really cool feature for them. Nice place to sit, read a book. Watch my step coming through here. They're working upstairs, so let's go downstairs. In here, plumbers are plumbing. We've got ducting pretty much all done. We have hidden the, where is it? Underneath here. We've hidden the furnace. It's underneath my shoulder there, which is looking great. Going back into the rec room area here. This space is looking very nice. Go nice and slow so I don't make you dizzy. So we are really getting things done. Let's shoot upstairs and see what's going on up there. All right, we're in one of the kids' bedrooms up here. Now, for any of you really keen observers, you might have noticed that this window in this room is installed backwards or inside out. And you're like, what the hell are these guys doing? They even know how to install a window? Well, yeah. We have to leave a window out of the way so that when the drywall gets delivered, it can come in through the window. So this window is just temporarily in place. Once the drywall has been delivered, we'll put it properly in place. That's how you think ahead. Coming up, we've got this great hallway. See if the camera will do what I want it to. Well, let's go like that. Very cool vaulted ceilings. You can see the electricians have been hard at work. There's wire all over the place. So we're cooking with fire. Plumbers are roughing in, electricians are roughing in. We should be ready to go with framing inspection in probably 2, maybe 3 weeks. So yeah, really making great progress on here. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.